Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Vortex indicator with filter bands. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Vortex indicator with filter bands. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 44 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 501 indicators, with 207 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Vortex indicator with filter bands. And you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so we've tested the Vortex indicator before, I think maybe one or two different versions of the Vortex. But this one also includes these filter bands, and so they might be hard to see. So maybe I'll go in here and bump these up like that and maybe turn them orange. Yeah, it looks a little bit easier there. So like that and like that. And so the filter bands are these lines right here. And so basically what they do is they create this channel here in the middle that helps to filter out some of the chop or consolidation areas. And so what we're looking for is really the break of the colored bands to the upside. And so when we get a break of the kind of reddish pink colored band here, when that breaks up to the upside, let's just go ahead and turn that a red, and let's go ahead and turn this a green. That'll just make it easier, a little bit more simpler. All right, there we go. So when we get a break of the red band to the upside, then we are going to go short. When we get a break of the green band to the upside, like over here, then we are going to go long. That's the setup that we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal. You can see right here, we get the signal right here, and almost immediately price action takes a nice push to the upside, getting us to take profit. Over here on this side, we pick up a short for just a moment, but unfortunately that was a fake out, as almost immediately price action pushes really hard to the upside right there, and that one stops us out. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then we pick up a short right here, and we get a nice push to the downside, getting us to take profit on that one. We pick up a long over here, but unfortunately we get stopped out on that one, as price tries to climb up a little bit, but ultimately takes this little dump to the downside right there. All right, what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we're at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, which we've recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. So you get the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos and individual strategies. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers, and together they have created a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that they are giving away to all the patrons for free. And they're actually working on turning those into trading bots as well. Once they have that all taken care of, they'll be offering those to the patrons also. So there is a ton of advantages to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, back to the indicator here. There, get this in focus. Let's go ahead and count them out and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So we have 16 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 winning trades. And so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. And so yeah, this indicator was a good idea. It was definitely taking some really decent action to make sure that it's filtering out some consolidation. The biggest issue that I noticed with this indicator is that it lags quite significantly, and that's an issue because right as it seemed to be picking up a decent signal, price seemed to be reversing often in the opposite direction. And so it was causing a lot of fake out trades, a lot of fake out signals to take place. And so this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.